time when I was falling, every dream had slipped away. Every morning felt like darkness, even in the light of day. I searched the world for every answer, nothing ever filled my soul. Then your mercy found this broken heart and made this shattered spirit whole. I remember every tear, every lonely night I cried. You were closer than I knew, even when I asked you why. When my faith was almost gone, when I couldn't stand alone, you reached into my deepest pain and called me by my name. He saved me when I couldn't save myself. He lifted every burden that I could never bear. He saved me with His mercy and His grace. He turned my darkest midnight into amazing grace. Now every breath I'm breathing belongs to Him alone, because He saved me. He saved me. I carry guilt upon my shoulders like a mountain made of stone. Every mistake kept pulling harder till I thought I'd lost my home. But your love was never distant. You were waiting patiently. You saw beauty in my ashes when nobody believed in me. Every scar became a story, every tear became a song. Now I know you never left me. You were there all along. You saved me. And you saved me. You saved. And I'll spend forever. You saved. Giving you all the praise. Hey, because you saved me. You carried me when I had no strength. You loved me when I felt unworthy. You'll never leave me. You'll never forsake me. Every breath I take will testify forever. He saved me. Jesus